And then there was something where I OD'd on some cough medicine or whatever. I never could figure that thing out that everyone else liked.
DXM.
I drowned in a mud puddle. The ambulance came.
You drowned in a mud puddle.
Uh-huh.
I think you said that way too quickly.
Yeah. I don't remember the details of it. Then they asked me if I was trying to hurt myself, and I was like, I wasn't. I was trying to get high. But they said I was trying to hurt myself. I got put in the mental hospital there, which was not nearly as fun as the one in Delaware.